Dear suicide. I know we haven't really spoken in a while. I joined a group, got signed at the biggest independent label. I've been on a motherfucking grind. Years back, I was staring down the line, feeling like I would never get the time. I was looking down the barrel of the 9, and now I'm rocking the apparel of the 9. Blind to the shine of this prime time theater who been showing class. Its only shame is that it's pricey pay-per-view, and it's much easier to steal than to cash your mass appeal by working daily for minimum bills with no significant skills. And so I wrote you out some letters, never sent them, cause I learned my nerve would just return to sender. Standing on the roof of South Beach and feeling no hope, I sniped my dreams from miles away to enemies with no scope. They tell us when we're young to dream big, we didn't know we do it so broke. So hiding, I'm looking for light in the night, I'm a GoPro. The feeling inside I don't know, I'm dying of living it so hard when that seems easier to cope. So hello dear suicide. Dear suicide. Dear suicide. Dear suicide. Dear suicide. Yeah. Top down on my mind, drop round on a down for a little of the penny for your thinking. I've been walking in the mouth trying to think of better find, and I find I do better when I'm drinking. But I'm still confined when the negative is winning in the crown war. I've been winning every battle for the sound tour. I guess it's really about the people I'm around more. We grind and we grind, we been advancing the man like one by one. Walking till 5 in the morning like we don't know if the sun might come. Some might run, but they strum like none. Cause to get to the top of this one light run, yeah, we needed to be getting every bit of love that you can never take and give it all back to this like none. I am that student teacher bond. Learn from anybody here, got a lesson to learn. Not really trying to end it, you know. I keep seeing you in the reflection of home. With no direction I'm prone to feel kinda like a sentient drone. I just go where they tell me to go, but I know that it's wrong in the center of my soul. So if you didn't know, then know now. This will be the one and final letter, cause I know I am better than just to try and sell. However,